One of my all-time favorite ways to cook is to make a dish that is lip-smacking under 15 minutes and preferably using one pot. Hi, I'm Rupa Balachander. I'm a food writer and I also host a cooking show on TV. Today we are at the Habanero kitchens and I'm going to share one of my ultimate thrifty meals that uses very few ingredients. Now this dish is loosely based on the Italian classic, which is an eggplant Parmesan sandwich. Now my version is deconstructed, uses less calories and very easy to make. So let's get cooking.